Hello dear, this is the plastic recycling machine. The capacity of this line is 200 kg per hour. This is crusher machine, the screw conveyor, and then this is the force feeder. Can help raw material into the extruder better. And this line have two extruders, the host extruder and the second extruder. And because of the temperature of this machine is high, so we add the cover to protect the workers. And then this is electric die head. Next is cooling tank. There will be cold water on it. The last one is hop cutting machine. If you have any other questions about our machine, you can contact our factory at any time.